I'll make mistakes so you don't have to. I was craving a coffee cake with chocolate frosting. Not peculiar, but sometimes a girl just wants what she wants, you know? Everything was going fine until I added too much water and I saw the batter demulsify in front of my eyes. My gut told me to stop, but I didn't listen. I needed to know why it collapsed. So I did some research and here's what I learned. Leavening agents produce carbon dioxide, which makes cakes rise, but they need the right balance of acidity and structure to work properly. Too much water doesn't just dilute the acidity, it can stop the cake from holding its shape, kind of like a sandcastle that's too wet to stand up. It might rise well in the oven, but if the structure is too weak, it can collapse as it cools, breaking all the air bubbles inside. And that's exactly what happened. It rose, it fell, it did not give me what I wanted, but it's okay because now I know, and so do you.